Hi and welcome to this MetaTrader tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to the platform. On the left hand side of the screen we have the market watch window. This can be found by going to the view, selecting market watch. Alternatively you can select Control M to open and close the window. This window will show you the symbols that you have available to trade via your broker. If the list is only short, simply right click, select the Show All tab and all the tradable assets will appear. Now let's open a chart. There are two methods to open a chart using MetaTrader. First, if you go to File, New Chart, you can select from the short list here, which is made up of your previous open charts, or if you go to the tabs selected below, you can select a particular asset. If I click on New Zealand US dollar, here's the chart of the New Zealand US dollar. Alternatively, you can use the Market Watch tab to open a chart. If we select dollar yen and right click on this, select chart window, and dollar yen will appear in our main window. To change time frame, you can select from the toolbar above. You have many to choose from and you can edit the toolbar to adjust accordingly. So above here you can see we have the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the hourly, and so on and so forth, all the way up to the monthly chart. If you select these, it will change you to the time frame that you're looking for. Alternatively, if you don't want to use the lower time frames, you can right click, customize, select the ones that you don't want to use, remove them from the window, like so. Across the toolbar, you can also adjust the type of chart, such as the candlestick charts, which we see here below. You can change that to a line chart, or you can change it to an open, high, low, close candlestick chart. The most popular is the Japanese candlestick chart. To change between charts, all you simply have to do is click between each tab and it will take you to the chart that you've opened up. On the toolbar at the top of the screen, you can also add some drawing tools such as the horizontal line, the Fibonacci retracement tool, and some simple text. To make any adjustments to the drawing tools, we simply right click while the item is selected, head down to properties, and here we have the parameters where we can change the font, we can change the font size, change where it's anchored to, which is this small box just through here. We can also change what time frame it appears upon, but most commonly you can change the color just through here to suit your template. On the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can right click here. It's very similar to all the drawing tools. Click onto properties. We can add levels in here. So you may want to add an extension tool. So you can add in the 1.27 extension. In the description, add that it is the 127. Click OK, and that will appear on the screen. As well as all the other tools, you can adjust your line tools. So if you right click on your horizontal line, you can click and select the style, the width, and also the colors just through here. Again, you can also apply it to different time frames. If you are multiple time frame trading, this can be a big help just through there. To view multiple windows at the same time, simply select this icon here, or go to Window, Tile Windows, and you can see multiple windows at the same time. To maximize one of these, simply go to the full screen and you have the full screen just through there. Again, you can go through each tab just at the bottom of the screen just through there. To find the indicators, simply go to Insert, and here are the indicators. We also have other things that you can have a little look at just through here. So on charts, We have the auto scroll and chart shift. Now these are going to be very important if you're looking to look in the past. So at the moment we have those two icons selected. If I was to use my mouse and scroll backwards, it will keep firing the chart back towards the same point through here. If I was to deselect the scroll on the chart, I'll be able to scroll back in the past and not have it come back to the center of the chart. Okay, so that's ideal when you're looking to look at previous prices and look into the past, maybe to do some back testing. Very ideal for that. So make sure that this one is unticked if you want to go and look in the past. You can also zoom and minimize to get more data into the screen. Definitely something worth looking at on your MetaTrader platform when you're trying to get the bigger picture of the market. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.